We're about to put the roof basket, the Canyon XT859 XT from Thule in Sweden, on the Polestar. There it is, on the table, ready for operation. Are you ready for the unboxing? Unboxing of the Thule. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Here we go. There it is. There it is, Twiggy. Woohoo! It's Christmas time. Woohoo! Woohoo! Got it all laid out. I've got all the parts here. We're gonna assemble it. Looks good, loving the design, loving the design. We've got it all assembled now. Put the bolts in there. These on here. Okay, pretty happy. All screwed in, all good. Little latches, or the flat bits, semi-bolted in so we can measure it up. And then just the last little bits here. So, yep. If you ever need your IKEA, your Swedish assembly, I'm your man. I can do it nice and good. Let's do it. Woohoo. Okay, we kind of skipped ahead, and I'm very happy to report it fits perfectly. Look at that. How cool is that? It's pretty low profile, so I'm just fitting each of the brackets on. There's an alternate way where it can go right in the little, goes through the middle of the thing, but I haven't put that on through the middle of the bar, the roof bar. Little pin, but I've just done using the brackets. Whoop. Brackets like that. So yeah, but I reckon it looks pretty good. You can hear the rain falling on the roof. Good day to be fitting a roof rack. But yeah, we'll have to take it outside and show you how it looks, but pretty happy with that. Pretty happy. There we go. Okay, we've charged up to 80%. That's the first time having the cage out of the garage, and it looks pretty damn cool. I don't know what it's going to do to the efficiency, so that's going to be the main point, and the noise. But yeah, definitely looks very cool. So we charged up, and now we're going to head out to the other side of the island. Thanks, RAA. And Twiggy did the plug share photo. And, whoop, sorry about that. Hopping inside. You see dynamic range at 340 at 80. Get the trip meter out, so, oh, excuse fingers. The trip meter there, we did 17.3 kilowatt hours per 100 coming back from Penashore with just the roof bars on without the roof basket. That was averaging 78. So this will be the test now, whether we do that. And I think we were hovering around the 17, 18 mark when we did the last loop around the island. So we'll compare that when we're coming back. Hey, Twig. Hey. Thanks for watching. Okay, we made it to Vavon Bay. So that was, I forgot to set the trip manual, but we can go in trip auto. We've done 59 kilometers, 60 kilometers, and we're doing 21.9 kilowatt hours. So that's probably up from 18 point something, I'd say. Averaging 84 kilometers an hour. So we'll see how we go. And the noise isn't that bad, actually. You kind of feel like it's not like a whine or a bigger noise, but it's just like it's hard to describe, like dull noise going all the time, but I don't think it affects me that much. So I think at this point, very early point, I think I'll leave it on for the trip, but gotta put the tire up there and see how that goes. And yeah, so that's the story. All right, here we go. We ended up getting a little snack here, not a whiting burger. And yeah, it's actually holding on really well. Looking good at the Vavon Bay store. Twiggy! Don't be chasing wallabies. Very cool. I do like the style of it. Very cool. Look at the clouds in the thing. How cool is that? Twiggy, you're at Vavon Bay store, aren't you, Twiggy? Here she is. There's the Polestar with the roof rack. There's the Twiggy. Home of the legendary whiting burger. Come on, let's go, Twig. Let's go. Here we are at Flinders Chase, and it's super windy. But she's hanging on there. Nice and tight on there. Super windy out here. That'll work with the efficiency. Work against the efficiency, sorry. Super windy. Super windy. Here we are on the West End Highway. West End Highway. Super windy. Super windy. But we'll catch the wind on the way back and see how that works with the efficiency. Let's go. Cruising along the West End Highway. I don't know if you can hear the roof basket. I don't think you can with this. It's relatively quiet, especially with the tailwind. So yeah, pretty happy with the noise. Efficiency is something to think about, but really just handicapping the Polestar. That's like a fine-tuned racehorse. You've got to have a bit of a handicap, bit of weight there, even it up for the field, bring it back down to say a Model Y or something like that. Yeah, good experiment. Here we are. This is pretty much my favourite cruising highway on Kangaroo Island, West End Highway. You can see all the burnt trees there. Yeah, so you can see all the trees off. I don't think you can quite see it if you're to the right there. All the burnt trees. Yeah, big fire break here to the left. Runs all the way down. So this is where the fire came out of in the forest, out of the national park. The big fire. Yeah, so you can still see all the burnt trees 5 years onwards. But yeah, this is magnificent stretch of road. Great stretch of road to drive. And we're going to catch the wind back because we drove right into the wind all the way out west. Now we're going to turn around and head back east with the wind, and that should help the efficiency. Thanks for watching. We are back at the charger. Did a job, interviewed some people down here. Now we can unhook the car, give it a wash because it's a bit muddy after the trip. Disconnect. Open the car. Pull it out. We took 4.4 kilowatts. Okay, we made it home, and that's the final. We did charge a little bit there. We had an interview down there with Services Australia and plugged it in for a short while and went up from 25 to 29, I think, to about 4 kilowatts there. So on the trip we did 195 kilometers and 21.6 at an average of 86 kilometers. So yeah, I mean, the efficiency's up there a bit more. It was definitely below about 18. Now it's closer to 22.
So we'll make the call. There's a range assistant there showing the range when we came down the mountain, the Kohinoor there. Down the mountain, and then that's not sure, 100 k's ago we did floor it there. Must have been a bit windy there, or accelerated a bit, but there we can see. Very good. That was the roof basket experience. Now, will we take it to WA or not? That is the question. You'll have to stay tuned to find out. Thanks for watching.